Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo E in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90411A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.